Okay, so today is going to be a little bit different. It's actually going to be a layer build video, but I thought instead of just chucking up a Photoshop video of what I do, I thought I'll just come in and explain a little bit. So you've probably seen these. God, I'd be really bad on infomercials, wouldn't I? This here, on my Instagram. This is my latest shoot with Thorton 100. You can follow him here. Just here, you follow him just here, yeah, cool. So pretty much it was a quick shoot, last minute shoot. I got contacted by them, really good guys, and said, we need him shot, we need him quick. So I was like, okay, cool. We found the location pretty cool. It was in Milton Keynes, it was just a car park, but we mobbed there. All the floors were closed, unfortunately, but we still just sort of ran in and shot it. Heavy in smoke, heavy in flash, but it was a run and gun sort of shoot. It was really cool. But a lot of people ask me what sort of kit, so I'm going to go through it a little bit on here, but I think I'm going to do a kit bag sort of video. But yeah, flash. This bad boy. This is a Godox AD600 PRO. You can actually find them in the links below. I'll put everything there because I'm a nice guy. Camera, 5DSR. Oh my God, I nearly dropped here. Fuck. Nearly. 5DSR, 50 megapixel beast. Awesome, very, very nice. And the lens, I know I'm called 85mm, as you can see here, but no, it was shot on a 50mm. A Sigma Art 50mm, absolutely beautiful. One of my favorite lenses, and pretty much I shoot everything at 50mm instead of like 24 that I sometimes use. Yeah, that's about it. It's going to be a short little video, probably about 5 minutes, but wait until the end because you can find out who actually won the sticker pack, which is me. Ah, look at all the stickers. Oh yeah, look at that, good. Yeah, so that's cool. So yeah, win a sticker pack. These t-shirts, they are for sale. I've only got literally 15 left out of the 50 limited pieces. Again, I'll link them below. But yeah, enjoy watching me path for half an hour. And yeah, look forward to the comments below. I'm gonna do the funniest comment again because that was actually hilarious. So plus 100 boys on Canon and you. I've been Alex, you've been the audience. See you on Sunday.